What's up, guys? I'm the Law. Today we're playing Animal Well. So I've been wanting to play this for a long time, and I finally have the money, and it's on discount, so I can buy it. Oh, we can play with WSD? Is he? This is where we are now. I have no idea where this is. Okay, everything looking good. This a secret? That does look like a secret. These can obscure you. I found a secret egg. A wall jumping, it seems. Dude is looking up and down. Some parallax map, I think, and the reflection is there. Oh, wait. A little bit of physics. I think that's as far as it goes. Can't reach that high. I wonder if I have to come back here, potentially. We'll see. Oh, another secret. They did a pretty good job hiding that and queuing into it. Just in case, there's nothing here, right? Yeah, there's nothing here. It's a solid wall. Hmm. Interact? No. I wonder if the interact button is Oh, this is the inventory button. I have 3 hearts. I'm missing 1. Okay. Let's get out of here. Oh, it's on the ground. Am I now allowed to collect it? I can see you. Maybe 1 or 3? Nope. Oh, run away from me. Oh, this game really does look trippy. Let's see. No more secrets here, it looks like. Can I fall in the water and die, I wonder? It's just like water that it looks like it is dangerous. It's like kind of lined up like that. So simply... Okay. This should have worked if it was gonna work. That's the reflections there, the parallax map. Okay. Um, there's that weird blue thing in the corner right there, all the way in the upper left corner. There's a ladder, and there's that statue over there with the snake there. These are old fencing, potentially. So I can quick fall down the waterfall to my start point. Does that do anything? Can I make it up here? I don't think I can. It's too far. It's kind of made specifically to not be jumpable. See what happens when I fall here. There we go. So yeah, they want us to go down, it looks like, eventually. That's just a secret here I'm missing. There's no, I can't make it up there. I wonder if I, get that. Did it do anything? My mind just wants to try to get up there as quickly as possible. See what it is. There's a number of things to note. Okay. Moving, so the stuff to the left. Did you ever see what's to the right? That's where I'm supposed to go. There's a moving platform up there and a chest in the middle. Can I go down? Nope. At least not now, anyway. I can't get to here. Yeah, I can actually. Z crank. Ah. Oh, I see. That at least seems like a one-way. Unless I could climb up those chains, but I can't climb things in the middle, it seems like. Maybe I decided to climb it? Maybe I can climb it, I just don't realize it. Z, would you like to save your progress? Yes. Okay. So that snake a save station? A save port? Well, since I just saved my progress, I think it's worth taking a risk here. Fuck it. We'll wait. Okay, on that platform, getting through that secret room. Maybe that's how I get the gold on top. Okay, yep, there's a platform there. Oh, maybe it's how it gets to this part, which I'm not even sure I could jump it anyway. Maybe able to. I might be able to jump on those and get on top. Kind of like a jungle area, but I'm not sure. It's like too gaseous. There's a trap underneath. I think that's a trap. Nope. It's an egg. What the fuck is that? Oh, you're coming towards me? So you reset on the room. Okay. Is there any reason? So I have to find a way to kill that so I can crank it? Because he's too fast. I can't kill that thing. There's no way I'm gonna crank that, right? He's too fast to crank that up. Are there any secrets here I'm missing? And water is definitely deaf. I telephoned something in, right? What did I telephone? I don't even remember. Oh, I saved. I saved. That's why. Why is there a telephone here? What is this? What is this place? Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, there's another secret tunnel. I need 3 coins. So I need the coin in the bottom. So it preserved the state of that, which is interesting. Again, can't get down here it seems. 302 also is inventory. Have I crossed here before? It looks different. There's a way to fall from the top there, like all the way down, in the upper left corner. That's it. That's all there is right now. Oh, I thought I was about to fall down, but it looked like a platform. So, zigzag my way through here. Ah, I see. So this is how you get up there. Whoa. Wait, what's up here? Nothing? Ah, there's a secret. I found a match. What the fuck am I using? What do I need a match for? Yeah, these are some well done secrets with some well done hints. It's like subtle on that bottom side right here. It's like really subtle. I like the little bubble that comes out when you sprint back. And then this here, again, a little bit of light to show you, but then also the vines hanging down, like really tall up. Okay. Looks like there's something up there, almost. It's definitely the waterfall could fall down here. Firecracker throw, so I could Z to pick up these things. Oh, maybe I can use it against those light? Does it kill me? I wonder. Okay. Okay, I'm here now. I didn't sense any secrets here. Oh shit, he popped. He popped like a balloon. I didn't even need to be accurate. So this is a good place to remember. Okay, this looks awkward. Hmm. Where am I now? Is there a firecracker right next to me? I have to go down to look for it. I want to pop it to see what happens here. Let's save my progress. Why all these cracked shells are all me? But mine's so special. There's something with that shiny thing on top. But I don't even think I could get that. Can I firecracker it? Maybe. It's a little buddy there. I call it little. I like how it's eating grass. Okay, there's a tunnel to the lower left corner. There's obviously that place to get to the upper left. And there's the point to my right. This is a new zone. We have fire now. Ooh, we can recharge our firecrackers. Oh. Yeah, I lit the candle. What does that do? So I spin to the match, maybe? Yeah. Does this stop that from respawning? I wonder? Let me get the other firecracker just so. Oh, it didn't cost me anything. I forgot it's a match. Well, I can't get over there yet. Another safe station? Oh, I got a map. Okay, so let's evaluate. We have that gated door over there. With those blocks that you start at the first time. There's something here. We have the center point, which is that on the bottom, literally in the center, the egg. Um, we have the ladders. You can see how those hallways are connected. We have this entire bottom section where we got the firecracker. The safe station. Here. The impassable point, which you probably get from above. That's where we are currently. No secrets. I don't think there's a secret here. I just want to test out one firecracker on one of these. Eh? That looks freaky. Let's test out one firecracker. See what happens. Nope, nothing. They're purely offensive. Another save point. Oh, it's a geese. And this is a penguin. Eat fruit. Oh, we got our health up. Nice. There's a squirrel. Uh, okay. It sounds like going up the stairs of like Legend of Zelda, the original. What the fuck is this? I'll take treasure and run. Stamps. Egg? Oh, is that where one of my secrets are used? Does he collect the eggs? So that's one of the eggs I collected, I imagine. Oh, we can fall down to the main corridor over here. And what is this? There's clearly stuff there. I just can't see it. There's another squirrel, but not the right one. Oh, there's a switch. There we go. Another golden door lock. Is this the squirrel's domain? So I guess we can go anywhere we want, right? There's no downside, it looks like. Another firecracker. Oh, that was a mistake. Oh. Eh? He just took a lot of damage for no reason. I don't think I could just jump over him. But I kind of understand the game more now. Eat the fruit? There's another lever to the upper right. You see that? Over there? Okay, let's check the right spot now. Another firecracker. Correct? I guess they alert enemies. What is that? Looks like we're in the hedgehog domain. Oh, it's a bridge there. I had to do that. Oh, this is a different place. Oh. I think it's somewhere down there. That does not look safe. That does not look safe. Can I fall down here? Nope. So every different candle indicates a new domain. But of course we have other ways to indicate it. There's another squirrel. There's nothing here. There's no secret right here, at least. It's blocked. Ugh, annoying. I'll eat the fruit. There's a trash just in the middle. Don't you dare block me off. Have to use him, eh? So, again, no secrets, it looks like. I found the key. Oh, it's for that door. Ugh, fuck. Goddamn squirrel. Scared the bejesus out of me. This does not look like a secret passage. There's no way we'll be able to reach it from here. Might as well toss. I want. So it's the right side. It's up to the right. The item, there's a thing there, which I don't even know how I'm beginning supposed to get, unless I drop from above. The key, which only requires one door, so I just need that gold slot. And a peach, which I would definitely want to eat right now. Well, that was a waste of time. Another switch. Eh. How do we even get in there though? I have to have a way to jump all the way up in the air. Okay, I guess I have to take care of that later. Can I damage these bastards? Oh, I see. It even works through platforms. I need 2 locks. It's kind of sprawling without any sort of sense of direction. That's what I'm seeing here. Nice. I know the squirrel's supposed to kind of give you your direction, but I have to do it like this then. Huh. Do I need to reset it now? Yeah, I need to reset it now. But I can't get there anyway. Huh. Huh, this is just a strange, bizarre game. There's a secret passage here, I think. There's a shortcut over there, too. Huh. Okay. I mean, we'll see about going on it next time. I'm kind of curious, like, where is this all leading to? Because so far it's been pretty, like, you know, there's been some interesting things, but like not too many interesting things happening. And platforming and such, it feels like pretty stagnant. Like I'm probably just doing the same things for a while. It's been like 30 minutes. All right, let's see you on the next episode. I'm the Law. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.